Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to block your Commonwealth bank card. I know this can be a stressful situation, so I'll try to keep this video as simple and straightforward as possible. Why would you want to block your Commonwealth bank card? There are a few reasons why you might want to block your Commonwealth bank card. Your card has been lost or stolen. You suspect that your card has been compromised. You're no longer using your Commonwealth bank card. You want to cancel your Commonwealth bank account. How to block your Commonwealth bank card. There are two ways to block your Commonwealth bank card. Online. You can block your Commonwealth bank card online by logging into your CommBank app. Once you're logged in, go to the Cards section and select the card you want to block. Then, click on the Block Card button. Over the phone. You can also block your Commonwealth bank card by calling 132-500. You'll need to provide your card number and personal identification information. What to do after you block your card. Once you've blocked your card, you'll need to take a few steps to protect yourself from fraud. Change your Commonwealth Bank online banking password. Monitor your Commonwealth bank account for any unauthorized activity. Report any suspicious activity to Commonwealth Bank immediately. Tips for preventing card fraud. Here are a few tips for preventing card fraud. Never give out your card number or PIN to anyone. Be careful when using your card at ATMs and in stores. Check your credit card statements regularly. Report any suspicious activity to your bank immediately. Blocking your Commonwealth bank card can be a stressful experience, but it's important to take action if you suspect that your card has been compromised. By following the steps in this video, you can help protect yourself from fraud. Additional tips. If you're traveling overseas, you can temporarily block your Commonwealth bank card to prevent unauthorized transactions. You can also set up travel notifications for your Commonwealth bank card to receive alerts about activity on your account. If you're concerned about the security of your Commonwealth bank card, you can order a new card with a different card number. If you're concerned about the security of your Commonwealth bank card, please take action today. Block your card, change your password, and monitor your account for any suspicious activity. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.